Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on topic matching from chapter 14. Dear student, take your textbook. Open chapter 14 and follow the class with your textbook and with your copy. Dear students, let's start for our class. Dear students, this is our lecture number 26 and you will get homework number 25 for annual term. And now we will discuss about the matching. The left portion of the matching has the A. Population growth makes. B. People are clearing forest. C. Harmful gases emitted from factories. D. Biotechnology is used to grow. And E. A basic human need. And right portion have causes acid rain, food, people easy to get diseases, to cultivate more crops, soil erosion, then hybrid car, and last one is disease resistant and more productive plant. Dear students, now we will solve the matching. First one, A. Population growth makes, it will be matched with this one. First I will put the Roman number here. There is no Roman number. Now A will match with 3. Then population growth makes people easy to get diseases. So we will write first A plus 3. Now we will write the sentence. Now we will match B. People are clearing forest, that will be matched with 4 to cultivate more crops. Now we will write the sentence. People are clearing forest to cultivate more crops. Now we will match C. Harmful gases emitted from factories, it will be matched with first one, causes acid rain. Now we will write C plus 1. Now I will write the sentence. Harmful gases causes acid rain. Now we will match D. Biotechnology is used to grow D will match with last one, 7. Disease resistant and more productive plants. First we will write D plus 7. Now I will write the sentence. Biotechnology is biotechnology is used to grow disease resistant and more productive plants. Now we will match last one, that means E. A basic human need. Dear students, we know our basic human need is food, clothes, education, treatment, etc. Then here is written into food. That means a basic human need is food. Now I will write E plus 2 and we will write a basic human need food. Now dear students, I will give you homework. This is homework number 25 and you have to do this matching as your homework. And you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you will contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing. Learn all the previous question answer whatever we have provided in the online classes. That is very important for your annual examination. Keep practicing. Do SW regularly because you will get your CT, diary and SBM marks on the basis on your performance of SW. Dear students, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.